It's again a symbol of the confidence in the business community. Foreign and domestic have expressed in the continued growth of our economy, especially given the turbulence that was happening in the Middle East and Japan. That's really hard work. So actually, teasing one of the officers in the stock exchange, because they said, you had a celebration recently about 2 weeks ago. Palagay raw nila hindi na-reach na 5,000 last year, kung ma-reach this year. Dito sa DFA, reach beyond your grasp, or grasp beyond your reach. So, minungkahin ko rin sa kanila before we had that slogan. Sabi ko, baka no total 5,000 na habulin mo, baka gusto mo, habulin nila yung 6,000. Hindi rin mo ako magagal kung makakilin. And therefore, they express a degree of confidence that they might reach 4 or 5 this week. Hopefully, I don't jinx it by saying it. But again, we think that will continue to improve. And again, if it is a bellwether for how the economy is improving and growing, then we think there is reasonable expectation that it will continue to grow.
Sir, with your indulgence, is it true that you parted ways with your fortune?
Yes?
Sir, was it a difficult decision?
Well, medyo yung just putting an unnecessary risk to the people regarding the PSG. Because masyado rin yung expose. So, iba, para ito sa advertisement, dito, most vulnerable here. So it was relegated to the garage. It was, it would deteriorate in its So, perhaps it was time to let somebody have experience.
Sir, may we know how much you sold the car?
Sold it for exactly the same price that I bought it for. Oh, that's a nice question. That is no longer in my possession.
Thank you.
Do you miss it?
I think I wanted the questions that up from the car. Anything of more substance? Christine?
Okay, last question. Christine?
Sir, I understand Secretary Damasari is going to China soon. What are your instructions to him, sir?
I think one of the main topics would be with regards to the West Philippine Sea. That's the essence of diplomacy. Settle the differences through talking rather than any other means. And that is actually enshrined in the Constitution. So he will endeavor to have discussions on how to resolve this issue. That would be the primary.
So does that signal that your May State visit as earlier announced in August?
So far, I think it's just date that's being fixed. We haven't said that we will not go on the Philippines. Sa akin naman importante, makipag-usap sa lahat, lalo yung katunggalin. Baka naman tayo makasundo. Kaysa naman, hindi tayo pwede nagdededmahan kung ganito mga buhay ng tao.
So it will happen this year, sir?
I assume that time it will happen this year. Barring any unforeseen circumstances. It should happen this year.
Okay. Sir, last question from Rayoban.
Good afternoon, sir. Kanina nabanggit nyo rin sa speech nyo about, you were obviously referring to the case of Angelo de la Cruz during the time in Iraq. Sir, is this a signal that we are through and through with Americans all the way, in all the levels of, let's say, wars that they will be entering to?
We chart our own foreign policy. So it happens that in this particular case, there's a convergence between the Americans and us with regards to the West Philippine Sea, that there's a convergence of objectives by both sovereign countries. So it doesn't sit well with me when somebody says that we closely align, meaning we abrogate our charting of our own foreign policies to that of another country. That is not permissible. Now, we will chart our foreign policy based on the interests of the Philippines.
But are we putting so much weight now in favor of the U.S. in this problem with China, sir?
Problema po natin ito. Palagay ko, pangunahin dapat naglulutas sa tayo. At yung other members, other famous countries, especially within the city. Focus po natin, deal with the problem as a bloc, as the ASEAN rather than as a
Regarding what South China Sea, West Philippine Sea, there's a Philippine-American group in the U.S. that is wanting to put a rally together to protest Chinese embassies all over the U.S. because of this South China Sea and the oil rig that is going to be passing through there this month. What are your thoughts on Filipino-American groups now voicing their opinions? What are your thoughts on
Well, I
this?
subscribe to the concept of freedom of speech. So long as there is a measure of respect for the rights of others, then they should be able to, they should be allowed to express their own sentiments.
And then another question from my colleague here, that unidentified fighter jet flew low in the West Philippine Sea intimidating fishermen. I guess it's another report that came out.
I've yet to get details of that. The last report was two unidentified planes that were in an intercept course with two of our patrols, two of our aircraft were on patrol. So I'll have to get information with regards to that. I have no information.
Okay, thank you.